Are your beliefs limiting your ability to progress your career and reach your goals? We explore 6 steps to breaking limiting beliefs and how you can achieve more. I'm too old, I'm too young for that. I will spend more whole life alone. I'll never find a job that brings me happiness. It's just a job. I'll never be have a happiness in my life. I will never be able to do that. These phrases are examples of limiting beliefs. They are horrible. And limiting beliefs are an excuse for not achieving what you would like to achieve. Limiting belief keeps us in our comfort zone. They can greatly limit development and achievement in our goals, both personally and professionally. It is these thoughts, whether conscious or unconscious, that we regard as absolute truths. However, these negative thoughts, which hinder our journey towards life goals, can be overcome and replaced with more optimistic messages. By changing your thinking, you can change everything too. So, what is limiting belief? Limiting belief in most cases are unconscious thoughts, which appear as defense and mechanisms to avoid possibly frustration, failure, and disappointments. At a time in the past, you may have suffered from something specific. And now, when you come face to face with a similar situation, your subconscious finds a way to try to block it. A good starting exercise to counteract limiting beliefs is to look for the root of the problem by finding the agent causing such negativity.
These limiting thoughts and beliefs can have several origins. Personal beliefs are those experiences that are relived by the person himself, leading him to develop certain blocks. Heredity experiences and beliefs that are related to the way we were created. The ideas and behaviors that we observe and reinforce during our entire life. Fear or excuse is everything you use as an excuse to stop doing something or when you stop taking a certain action for fear of failing. Social circles of the people around you and those who can influence you. Society can impose standards that generate limiting beliefs. Religion beliefs can sometimes also spread limiting thoughts as their preaching usually defines which attitudes are accepted under the eyes of the divinity in which an individual believes. To discover your limiting belief, think about the things you would like to achieve but aren't currently working towards. Then look for the justifications you find for not doing said things. This justification is usually in the why of the sentence. It's easier said than done. Trying to unpick such limiting belief, speaking to trusted friends, family or mentors can be really valuable approach here. So how can you overcome your limiting beliefs? Here comes 6 steps. Number 1, identify one of your limiting beliefs. The first step to overcoming your limited belief is in identifying it. What are they? If you fear there are maybe multiple limitations, then start with the largest one and then repeat these steps with each limiting beliefs. Number 2, recognize that it is just a belief. Recognize that your belief may simply be belief founded on falsities. It is likely to be completely untrue and it is just a belief, not a fact. Number 3, challenge your own belief. Now that you have recognized it is just a belief rather than grounded a fact, question your belief. Question it by raising such questions as, is this belief really grounded? What are the supporting facts? Did I always think that way? If not, what has changed? Is there evidence contradicting my belief? What would it be like to think of the opposites of my belief? Is this belief helping me to progress towards my goals or not? How would I think about this belief if I were someone else? For example, Oprah Winfrey, Steve Jobs, or a doctor. Many of these questions may seem strange, but they are designed to help you to broaden your perspective on the subject. It is exercise outside the box thinking. When arguing against your own initial thinking, you may realize that it is not quite what you were thinking, leading you to change the paradigm to something more positive and encouraging. Number 4, recognize the potential damaging consequences. What are the consequences of holding on your limiting belief? Holding on to the belief that you are not able to pass a selection because you failed your first attempt can deprive you of passing in the future and have a better life. Number 5, adopt a new belief. Choose something new to believe in, something that will help you to improve your life. These transitions may not be easy, depending on how long you have thought and lived through what led you to believe what you believe today. It may have created an extraordinary strong emotional bond and rooted the belief very strongly. If you want to go ahead and change, you will need to have a strength and courage to make that change in thinking and adopt a new belief. Put it into practice. It's number 6. Take action and start implementing things that support your new belief. If your limiting belief told you that you were too old to start exercising, instead start to adopt it right away. And it's easy, never too late to start. Believe and then today go for a 15 minutes walk to start exercising it and create a habit from there. Conditioning yourself to your new belief means creating a reality you want for yourself in your mind. Visualizing the results you want to achieve. Visualizations is a great way to create anticipations. You will mentally experience results you want to achieve. With this, you will be sending congruent signals to your brain, making it work for you. See, hear, and feel the results you want to achieve in your mind. Practice this exercise every day for at least 15 minutes. You will see and you will notice the benefits that this simple exercise will bring to your life. And remember, if you're looking for a mentor to help challenges your limiting beliefs, you can click on the link below for one-to-one clarity appointment. Thank you for watching it.